Hi! Welcome to another makeover! Today I'll be showing to you how I turned this 100 square feet room to a playroom. So this is the room and a console table should stay. This room will be divided between two play areas, the Nintendo and a computer desktop. And this is my floor plan. After having a floor plan, I started searching, and my inspiration for this project started when I saw this rug from Target. I got this computer table from Ikea, and I did restain this to have this color. For the other side, I pick up these organizer shelves from Target. For cable management, I bought this cable box and sleeves from Amazon. I bring up the color indigo up to the wall by having this Shibori print from Target. For extra storage, I bought this cubicle box from Target, and for some accessories, I just used the books and stuffed toys, and I also used the base that my father-in-law gave to me, which is the red, which matched the encyclopedia books. To avoid accumulating a lot of dust from the floor, I bought the CPU holder from Amazon. To balance things in the room, I hang this macrame from Amazon, and I also added some lights. I also added 2 chairs for the room. So this window is not on the center, so I asked my husband to install the curtain rod farther left and really high. I used 4B band curtains from Ikea. So this is the final look.
Always on the edge, we fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give us like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video. Bye! Square feet to a playroom. Oh! Yes, we're going to share how did we turn this room into a playroom, right?
Oh, there's my chihuahua. Hanging out to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you see me.